the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna think. I wish I could erase it, make your heart believe it. Ooh, I wage my war on the world inside. I take my gun to the enemy side. Oh, I've been asking for problems. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see.
So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button below for notification. Thanks for watching of this vlog and see you to the next vlog. Bye!